As we approach the end of 2025, we take the moment to pause, reflect, and feel gratitude for all the moments that made this year meaningful. For us at the SOJO team, it has been a year of growth, challenges, and most importantly, connection.
When we look back, it's never about the projects completed or the homes we built. It's about the families who trusted us, the communities that welcomed us, and the memories created in every space we touched.
And behind every home and every project, there's our incredible team. Their dedication, late nights, and attention to detail are what makes every transformation possible.
Christmas is about more than gifts. It's about being present, the gratitude and kindness. We hope that in this season, every one of you feels the warmth of family, friends, and community, the same warmth we experience with our clients every day.
And to our clients, thank you for trusting us with your homes and dreams. And to our team, thank you for showing up every day with heart and excellence. And to our community, thank you for letting us be a part of your story.
Merry Christmas
from all of us at the SOJO team.